Today we are gonna learn about making a cake decoration out of balloons. Take 10 balloons in 2 different colors. Inflate them and connect to each other. Stack the balloons on another and secure them. Now we will make a candle for our cake. Take a long balloon and stretch it to inflate it easily. Make 2 small portions and secure them. Cut the extra part and tie the balloon. Now take a long golden balloon and inflate small portion of it. Take this small portion and connect it to the long white balloon. Our candle is ready. Now secure it on top of the cake. Take a long silver balloon and inflate it. Divide this whole balloon into small portions and then wrap it towards the cake. Cut the extra part and secure it. Our cake decoration is ready. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments about the new DIY ideas you have in mind that we can try.